welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create pin on Pinterest. If you want to create a pin on Pinterest, after logging in with your credentials, the next thing you need to do is, when left hand side you see some set of menus here. Click on the create button over there, and then you can now choose a file or drag and drop a file there. Don't forget to use high quality .jpg files, and it should be less than 20 megabytes, or .mp4 files less than 200 megabytes. Then you can also save from the URL if you have it. Then add a title, add a description, add a link, choose a board where you want to be saved, then you put your tags here, and then go for more options. So let's see if we can do that. Let's create a tag. Let's look for a picture we want to use for our tag. Let's say I want to use a picture for my tag, so I'm looking for the picture right now. Sorry, for my pin I meant. I want to use a picture for the pin that I want to create. So let's say the picture I want to use is so far. Whatever that, let me just pick anyone there. This is the picture I want to use. This is the picture I want to use for the tag, and then this is the so just put the title of my pin to be, let's say, ads. Then I can add a description. Maybe making ads using Google. Making ad, for example, using Google Ads, and then add a link. If you have a link, I don't have a link, so you can choose the board. You can choose a board. So far I don't have any board, so I'll need to create one. I don't have time for that, so let's go for a tag. You can choose a tag. People will not see the tag. So let's say my tag is just ads creative. Then I click on more options. Do you want to put comments? If I want, I leave it. Do you want to put comments? I turn it off. And show similar products, yes. And then once I'm through, at the top, click on publish. It's as simple as that. That is how to create a pin on Pinterest. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.